Hi guys, welcome back to Tay Learn, and today we're learning about quantum mysticism. So if you heard about parallel realities, the observer effect, that time is an illusion and it's man-made, then you'll love this subject because that's what we're going into. So I'm really into the side of life and doing research on it. So from the things that I've learned, I'm going to be teaching y'all about the connection between spirituality and science. I just want you to be open-minded with the things I'm saying. If you're new to this knowledge or you're just getting into it, it's going to kind of sound off the wall a little bit, but just bear with me. So there's an underlying consciousness that connects everybody, or an infinite intelligence that we're all connected to. So you probably heard of we're all consciousness experiencing itself, or we're all one. So quantum mysticism is basically a term used to describe quantum physics and how it's related to spirituality and science. So it's basically the idea that consciousness plays a role in shaping reality. In order for energy to manifest in material form, it needs an observer, a consciousness. If you're watching this from a phone or a laptop, a computer screen, or you're sitting in a chair or a bed, someone had to think of that. It started off as a thought, and then that hardened into reality. It started off as observation. So there's a phenomenon in quantum physics called the observer effect. And basically this is demonstrated in the double slit experiment. This is a famous experiment where two photons are shot between two slits. I'm going to try to break it down without all the complexities. So the act of your observation is influencing the world that you live in. The mere fact of your observation is creating reality. So scientists did the experiment over and over again, and they kept coming up with the same result, and they pretty much had to determine and accept it as fact. And the fact is, your conscious observation is creating the hardened reality that you see. It is creating the physical outer reality. So they basically found that reality is connected to our beliefs, thoughts, and perceptions. It's saying that imagination is creation. And if you can imagine something, sense it, feel it, it has no choice but to make its way into reality. This is basically showing us that we're not separate from each other. We're interconnected like thread. And this is what we learn about in the law of attraction. You are a co-creator of reality. This is actually documented in the CIA. And I'm going to try to put a document up here. You're going to have to pause it to read it because it's a lot to read. And the CIA basically goes along with the theory that the universe is a hologram. So in the CIA documents, they're mentioning things like hypnosis, transcendental meditation, quantum physics, biofeedbacks, universal holograms, spiritual belief systems. The terms that I'm mentioning in my videos is just the notion that thoughts and feelings are energy. This is basically the law of attraction. They just worded it more scientifically. People attract energy like the energy that they project. So if someone smiles at you and you smile back, or vice versa, then what you're putting out there, you're getting back. And that's the law of vibration, the law of attraction. Even the Egyptians, the greats, the ones who built the pyramids, they were into this stuff as well. They knew about the Hermetic laws. They lived by it, okay? And one of the Hermetic laws is the law of vibration, what I was just referring to. So if you've heard of Hermetic laws, these are the cosmic laws and the principles that pretty much kept the universe in harmony since the beginning of time. So this is a new age knowledge. We're just catching on. Like I said, if you got to do your own research on it and then come back, that's fine. I totally understand. So guys, if you learned anything from this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.